Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to fix the recipient's account is unable to accept payment on Cash App. Okay, so I'm going to share with you the things that might cause that problem. So first of all, you need to make sure, or you need to verify that you are verifying your account. So you need to verify your identity first by uploading your ID document, and then after verifying your account, you need to make sure that the recipient's account is also verified. If it's not, request from him or from her to verify their account by uploading their ID document, and then try to do it again. If it's still not working, then you need to go and contact the customer support, because maybe there is a problem in your account or the recipient's account that you don't know about. So go and contact their customer support from going to help, then report a problem, and then write the message or the problem that you're having with your recipient's account. So this is the only way how you can fix that problem. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video I post in future. And see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.